morning, dear children. From your EVS textbooks, in our last class, in our previous videos, we have completed 2 lessons, animals around us and plants around us. And today we will start a new lesson with the name of water. Open children, page number 22. Water. Daily, it's very essential part of our life. Everyone needs a water. Without water, we can't live. So all human beings, animals, plants, trees, everyone need a water. Okay. So here Salim is thirsty. He is drinking a water. They are given here one boy. His name is Salim, and he is thirsty. What you are drinking when you are thirsty? Yes, when you are thirsty, what you are drinking? You are drinking water. Very good. Next. See here on page 22 they are given here a story. You have already learned that story in KG classes. Look at the picture and say the story. I will repeat again in small. Here one crow. You know the thirsty crow story, children? Yes, you remember? Okay. One crow is here and he was very thirsty. He looked for water everywhere, but he can't see the water. And at last he find one pot with very little water in it. Then he can't reach to the pot, reach to the water. Then he got some idea. What he done? He picked some stones and dropped into the pot one by one. Then after that water came up. Then he drank the water and flew away happily. The moral of that story, crow got some idea about stone. He picked up stone and dropped into the pot, and then suddenly water came up. Means he is an animal, bird. So he is also thirsty for drinking water. He got some idea and he drank that water and flew away happily. Okay. Do you remember, children, the story of thirsty crow? Yes. Now on page number 22, 23, here plants, they are shown here one diagram of plants. Some small plant is here and you can see a plant drying up, but now the plant looks so fresh. And how? I will explain it. Here on page 1, on a small dry picture, they are shown here a drying up pages of plants. Due to the lack of water, all plants leaves are drying. On the next day, what that girl is doing, suppose her name is Seema. What Seema is doing? She is giving water to the plant. She is watering to the plant. And then on the next day, some leaves are grown up. And on again the next day, next week, some flowers came to that plant. Okay, some flowers came to that plant. In that way, all the plants also need a water. In a thirsty crow story, they are shown birds, animals also need water. On next picture, they shown all plants, trees also need a water like a human being. Next, even plants, trees and animals need a water like us. Next, what are the things you do at home using water? Put right mark in the box for the picture to show them. You are using water only for drinking? No. In every different purpose we like a water. Yes, each and every work we need a water. They are giving here some activities. I will explain it and you have to make right mark. Take pencil and make it right mark for the pictures. First one, what he is doing? He is doing brush. Getting early of morning, he is doing brush to his teeth and washing his face. So we need a water. Is it true? Yes. Make right mark to that. Next one, you are doing bath at Delhi. Yes, by using water. Make right mark again. Next one, they are shown here. One man is there and he is cleaning vegetables. You are while you are going to market, you are purchasing some vegetables, fruits, and you are eating directly. No, you have to wash that first. So in the third picture, what they are shown here, one man, he is washing vegetables and fruits. Next one, your mother is cooking food by using water. Without water, she can't prepare any food. She need a water daily. So on page number 24 here, cleaning utensils. Cleaning utensils, dishes. We need a water again. You are going toilet, so we need a water again. Next one, washing clothes. Daily, it's a daily activities which your mother, father and you are doing at your home by using a water. Here also for washing clothes we need a water. And last one, eighth one picture they are shown here for drinking purpose. It's very important for drinking. When you are thirsty, you drink a water. Next, name the things do you using water in your school. Look at the picture given below. Say where else we use water. And now here, all these activities, these 8 activities they are given, that's you are doing in your home. You are doing in your home activities. That's why we need a water. And now, behalf of our house, some other purposes where we are using water for construction, for cement and sand mixing. While builders are making houses, they need a water again. For mixing cement and sand, they need a water. Next one, cow, buffalo, they are drinking waters from river, lake. Next one, selling of farms. Next, for washing vehicles, we need a water. See on page number 24, they are given here some different activities of surroundings, in our surroundings. Next one, for washing vehicles. Next, on page 25, turn up. They are giving here again some different activities for washing our pets animals. For washing our pets animals, means cow, dog, cat, all these are our pets, and for washing them, bathing them, we need a water. Next one, the boy, what he is doing, he is watering a plant, he need again water. So water is very important in our daily life. Next one, from where do you get water from for your house? Put right mark in a picture given below. Here, you know water where it came from to your house? From a tap, yes. But from tap where it's come again from a water tanker. Next one, they are given here some different sources of water. First one is water sources. Which one is main source of water is the rain. First one, main source of water is the rain. From rain we get all the water. So here they are given in one number picture. They are shown here one well. Well is here. Next one, water tank. Tank with tap. Next one, hand pump. Lake. Stream. Next one, rain, first one. Wave, sea, river, stream, all the other sources of water. From that we get water. Next, turn on page number 26, sing and enjoy. Here is one small poem is here. I will sing it. I need water, I need water for drinking, cooking and bathing too. I need water for building, farming and sailing too. I need water for plants and animals, me and you. Means in that short poem there are given uses of different uses of water. Drinking, washing, cleaning, bathing. Next one for building purpose, farming purpose, selling purpose I told already. We need a water. For plants and animals also need a water just like you and me. So you have to do some mind actions, mind these actions. You have to do these actions in your home. Try to practice. Drinking, how you are drinking children's? You have to doing only mind actions. Bathing, yes. Washing face. Washing Washing clothes. You are watching to your mother how she is washing clothes. Observe it and do the mime actions. Rowing the boat. Suppose example you are seated on boat. Try to do the action again. Dog drinking water. How dog drinks water. If you have pet animal of dog, see, observe it how is drinking water. Next, flowing river. You seen river flowing? Okay. Watering the plants. All these are the different actions. Getting children, it's a small lesson of water we have completed today. Try to do this all actions in your home and write 10 uses of water. What are things you need at your home on page number 23. Try to read these activities. Try to practice. In our next class, I will give a notes on that lesson. Thank you.